Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to discuss on how to disable DMs or direct messages on Twitter on Android devices. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my video or to my channel. So let me point out that it's not possible to disable all DMs except to the people that you follow. So to start with, go to our Twitter app and hit on the three little lines on the top left side of your screen. Now go down to Settings and Privacy. Upon reaching Settings and Privacy page, now go down to Privacy and Safety rather. Now go down to Direct Messages. In Direct Messages, there are two toggle buttons, but we are rather interested with the first one at the top. It will disable us from receiving messages from people on Twitter. So for us to do that, as you have seen, now it is active, allowing us to receive messages. To deactivate it, tap on the toggle and it will turn to gray. And when it's gray, it means that DMs has been deactivated. And if you want to switch it back on, tap on the toggle and it will turn blue, meaning that you will receive messages or message requests from people. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope it has been helpful to you, and if this video has been helpful to you, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.